Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install extensions on Google Chrome quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner, click on the three dots to open the menu. From the drop-down, go to Extensions, then click on Manage Extensions. This will take you to your Extensions page. Next, click on Visit Chrome Web Store to find new extensions. In the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to look for the extension you need. For example, you can search for a VPN or any other tool you're interested in. Browse through the results and click on an extension to view more details. When you've found one you like, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to install it. Once installed, the extension will be added to your browser and ready to use. And that's it. You now know how to install extensions in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.